I'm Carson Gibbons with Dallas Meetup. Today we're going to be speaking with Blake, co-founder of overbookMD and longtime neurosurgeon at Texas Back Institute. Blake needs no introduction amongst his DFW medical peers, but we wanted to introduce him to you, the Dallas Meetup community, today.
I'm Blake Staub from overbookMD. I'm a neurosurgeon in Dallas. I trained in Houston for my neurosurgery training, 7 long but fun years. I then went to New York to the hospital for special surgery to do an extra year of orthopedic deformity surgery training. I didn't want anyone in Dallas to tell me that I wasn't an orthopedic surgeon and I couldn't do this, or I wasn't a neurosurgeon and I couldn't do that. So I decided to get both degrees. That way there's really no patient, no other doctor that could tell me I didn't know what I was doing or that I wasn't an expert in my field. There's an inefficiency in our system in healthcare, and overbookMD is here to solve that inefficiency. Basically, from a surgeon's perspective, I'm seeing a ton of patients who don't necessarily need surgery. They needed to see my PA or a pain management doctor, or sometimes just their primary care doctor. From a patient's perspective, they just want to be seen urgently. They want their problem addressed. They want to know that they can be taken out of pain, or at least have their anxiety ameliorated by, a specialist or a doctor of some kind. So we created overbookMD not only for the surgeon, but also for the patient. The goal is that if you are a patient and you have a problem, overbookMD will get you in to see a doctor urgently and get you in 48 hours or less. The special part about overbookMD is we allow the doctors to pre-screen the patients that are coming in. We treat the patient like a VIP. You don't have to have millions of dollars to get in and see the doctor the next day. You don't have to be a politician or a famous person in Dallas, right? We get grandma in, we get little Johnny who had a football injury, we get everyone in the next day or the day after. At the same time, for the doctor, for the Uber specialist, the specialist of all the specialists in Dallas, we'll fill their schedule when they have a last minute cancellation. It's really a win for everybody. We allow the average person, the hourly employee, or the manager who maybe doesn't make $5 million a year, we allow them the access that the professional athlete has to the best doctors in Dallas. Whether it's a cardiologist or a dermatologist, we will get the patient in urgently to see that doctor, regardless of what their financial status is, regardless of who they know. We get them seen by the best doctors, as soon as we possibly can.